This topic is going to talk about animated graphic display. We can use address to control animated graphic in GIF display. This topic will show how to create an animated graphic in GIF display. Select and drag the animated graphic to the screen. Double-click the animated graphic. Number of states can set the number of states for the animated graphic. State control can set the state changing method of the animated graphic. Set the address that we want in state control address. Type can set the movement type of the animated graphic. Polyline mode means that the position of the animated graphic will change according to the planning path or position. Set the path or the position of the move control under polyline mode. Dynamic mode means that the position of the animated graphic will change according to the position control address. Select and drag the GIF display to the screen. Double-click the GIF display. Select Open File to open a GIF format image on the computer. Use fixed ratio to maintain the GIF format image original aspect ratio. Enable by bit can set whether the GIF image is dynamically controlled by this bit. Dynamic speed can set whether the change speed of the GIF dynamic graph is controlled by the register. Select the compile which is in the project. Select simulation and choose offline. GIF display and animated graphic are work normally.